Want to learn coding but don't know where to start? Here's your complete guide to begin coding from scratch. Step 1. Choose a programming language. Start with beginner-friendly languages like Python or JavaScript. They're easy to learn and widely used in various fields like web development and data science. Step 2. Use free resources. Platforms like Codecademy, FreeCodeCamp, or W3 Schools offer excellent tutorials. Begin with the basics, variables, loops, and functions, and practice as you go. Step 3. Build small projects. Apply what you learn by creating small projects. For example, build a to-do list app or a simple calculator. Hands-on experience is the best way to solidify your skills. Step 4. Join a coding community. Join forums like Stack Overflow or Reddit to connect with other beginners and get help when you're stuck. Collaboration speeds up learning. Step 5. Be consistent. Set aside time daily or weekly to practice. Consistency is key in coding. Even 30 minutes a day can make a big difference over time. Coding might seem intimidating at first, but with these steps, you'll be writing your first program in no time. Start your journey today.